guys, hello. I wanted to show you guys this top that I worked on, guys, and I recorded all of the steps showing you guys how to make this top, and I tried to free up some space. You know, you have the Instagram videos you launch and different things like that, and you try to free up the space so you can make room for the final video and wind up deleting everything off of the video. So I'm like, oh my God, what a bummer. So I'm just going to walk you through it live, guys, on how to make this top. This is one of my favorite tops, guys. And guys, I bought these boots a while ago. You see how they have the see-through mesh? And these works out perfect with this outfit with the gold and stuff in it. Okay, guys, so we're going to do a whole walkthrough. So I had it lined out, cut out everything. So guys, this is the shirt that I use. So this will be the back. So how you wind up getting the tail, guys, you extend this as long as you want your tail to be on the bottom of your shirt. So extend it as long as you want, guys. This is the back piece. So you just make it as long as you want for the back, okay? So guys, when you get to the front, this is the front. Okay, these is your two pieces. So your buys, and then when I connect the ties, I fold this end over like that, guys. See that? And then I make this and I just extend it all the way down as long as you want these ties. Instead of cutting them later, I cut it right into the fabric, guys. And then the sleeve, guys, is nothing but these squares. Y'all know I take them squares, take a square, and you sew it. Let me go back. You sew it on, guys, around the top, and I leave the bottom open, guys. So that's how you make these shirts. And if you want it longer, guys, make it longer. And this one does have a 4-way spandex in it, guys. So if you guys don't have spandex, make room. And guys, if you got a bigger butt, this is going to get shorter. So if you want it to be longer, guys, extend it, make it longer. So guys, this is these tops that I like making, and they trending. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and my baby said, babe, what are you going to wear? Are you going to wear some red? Well, actually, I'm sorry. Tomorrow's not Valentine's Day. Tomorrow's Thursday. I'm not a traditional person. I don't like all the crowds and the long lines and the waiting. So we're going to celebrate on Thursday instead of Friday, okay? Because I'm not traditional. He's not traditional. Gino, want to say hi. So, guys, he was like, are you going to wear some red? I say, hey, baby, we make our own rules, okay? I said, I'm going to wear whatever I want to wear. I don't got to wear red. I don't follow the rules. I like to break them sometime. So guys, make some beautiful outfits. And I thought these boots look amazing, guys, with this. I'm gonna go get another pair of boots that I have, guys, that are really good looking too, that I picked up. Hold on. So I could do either or, but these goes really well with it. But I actually might have to change these out, guys, because we are in below zero weather. And if you guys see these mesh ones, you don't wear any socks with them because you're able to see. So it is actually too cold. So look at these, guys. These are sequins, and you guys see they're the leopard print. So I'm gonna try these on with it, guys, and let you see how these look. I'm gonna stop the video and start it back when I get it going. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so I am back, and I swapped out the boots, guys. So these are the leopard print, guys. Can you see that? Thigh high, and they got the gold, and these are very cute boots. But guys, since we're in the below zero weather tomorrow, I don't know if actually the mesh ones fit this point, but the fact that we're below zero, and I don't know if I could stand to put these on, guys, and not have on any socks. So that would be a problem. Like, my feet will be the first thing to get cold is my hands and my feet. So I don't know if I'll be able to wear them. So I might do these, or I might do a whole nother outfit, guys. But anyway, guys, as always, thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Happy sewing, guys. So remember, guys, when you make this, and then you just fold over and make your seam going around here, going around there. I don't sew the ends of this, and then I do the seam going around the back right there, guys. So, guys, yes. Happy sewing, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here's a couple still shot. This is what those tops look like. So, guys, you can make them with jeans, leggings, whatever type of shirt you want to make. These are simple, easy to make. They're trending all over the internet. Remember, guys, if you want it longer, cut it longer. And have fun making these tops. I actually love these tops. You can make them in all different types of colors, guys. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day on Friday, guys. So have an amazing Valentine's Day. So thank you guys so much. And as always, guys, God bless. Bye-bye.